Aubrey has 167 erasers and Piper has 780 erasers. Complete the number sentence to show how many more erasers Piper has. Because of this statement right here, to show how many more erasers Piper has, we're going to use a bigger, smaller difference comparison graphic organizer to help solve this problem. So here we go. Aubrey has 167 erasers and Piper has 780. So who has more erasers? Well, Piper does. He has 780 erasers. So where it says bigger, we're going to put 780 because Piper has 780. Well, Aubrey has 167 erasers. That's the smaller amount. Aubrey has the smaller amount of 167. Complete the number sentence to show how many more erasers Piper has. Well, that's going to be the difference, and that difference is more. And so how are we going to solve that? Well, we take the 780 erasers Piper has, subtract the 167, and that's going to be the difference, or how many more erasers Piper has. So that's our problem. What is 780 minus 167? So here's 780, and now we're going to subtract 167. And so when we subtract 0 minus 7, well, that doesn't work because there's not enough ones up there with that 0. So we're going to regroup. We have 8 tens, we're going to make that 7 tens, and that 10 we're going to turn into 10 ones. So there's 10 ones right here. We can put those 10 ones in the ones column. Now we have 10 and we're going to subtract 7, so 10 minus 7 is going to be equal to 3. Now we're going to move on to the tens column. 7 minus 6, or 7 tens minus 6 tens is 110. And then the last column, 7 hundreds minus 100, or 7 minus 1, is equal to 6. So our answer is 613. That's how many more erasers Piper has. So to complete the number sentence, it's going to be this. 167 plus 613 is equal to 780. We can use an open number line to figure out the difference. If we start here at 167 and to get over here at 780, how could we get there? Well, if we added 3, we can now get to 170. And if we add 30, that now gets us to 200. And then if we add 500, that would give us to 700. And if we add 80, we get to 780. So how far would we add? We add 30, 30, 500, and 80. What would that be? 500, 80, 30, and 3. If we added that, we would have 3 in our ones. In our tens, we have 8 tens and 3 tens. That would be 11 tens. And then 100 and 500 would be 600, which is also 613. So that's another way we could get to our answer of 613.